Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this lecture, I will be discussing about Euler identity, complex numbers, and also trigonometric functions. The topics that will be covered are trigonometric functions, Euler identity, and complex numbers. This question is pertaining to combination of these three topics. We will discuss and try to grasp the maximum possible concepts from it, so that you will be participating in solving the question. At the same time, you will be grasping the concepts. It's a very good question. If e to the power of ia plus e to the power of ib is equal to e to the power of ia into e to the power of ib, it's nothing but x plus y is equal to x into y, or p plus q is equal to p into q. If these values are integers, then it can be a Diophantine equation. Let us see what these values. And now from there, by solving above equation, we have to find out the value of a plus b. And the only condition we have is a and b both are less than 2 pi. Single equation and two variables. If a and b are found to be integers, then it can be a Diophantine equation, otherwise it is not a Diophantine equation. Let us move further to solve this equation. It is a very good example involving trigonometric functions, Euler identity, and complex numbers. A very good trigonometric identity we are going to define here now. Let us move further. What is the question given? Given question is find a plus b when e to the power of ia plus e to the power of ib is equal to e to the power of ia into e to the power of ib. This is what is the question. Now let us try to solve it. Solution. What is the right hand side? Right hand side is equal to e to the power of ia into e to the power of ib. It's nothing but a to the power of m into a to the power of n. What it will be? A to the power of m plus n. Then this becomes e to the power of I into a plus b. This is right hand side. What is left hand side? E to the power of ia plus e to the power of ib. That implies the question becomes, the given equation in the question becomes e to the power of ia plus e to the power of ib is equal to e to the power of I into a plus b. We will use the Euler identity. What is Euler identity? E to the power of ix is equal to cos x plus I into sin x. This is the Euler identity. Please remember this. Very important identity in complex numbers. E to the power of ix is equal to cos x plus I sin x. If x is theta, e to the power of I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Very important. Now, by using this, left hand side becomes e to the power of IA plus e to the power of IB is equal to cos A plus I into sin A plus e to the power of IB will be cos B plus I into sin B. This is left hand side. Then what will be the value of right hand side? Right hand side is equal to e to the power of I into A plus B. By using the Euler identity, we will get cos A plus B plus I into sin A plus B. From the given equation in the problem, let us write equate LHS is equal to RHS and write e to the power of IA plus e to the power of IB is equal to e to the power of IA into e to the power of IB implies cos A plus I sin A plus cos B plus I sin B is equal to cos A plus B plus I into sin A plus B. It is like a vector. That can be written as cos A plus cos B plus I into sin A plus sin B is equal to cos A plus B plus I into sin A plus B. It is like a vector. I sin A plus B, this is the imaginary number, and I sin A plus sin B, it is also imaginary number. Let us equate the imaginary numbers on right hand side equal to left hand side, because whenever two complex numbers are equal, their real parts will be equal and equal to each other, and their imaginary parts will be equal to each other. Real parts is cos A plus cos B is equal to cos A plus B. Imaginary parts sin A plus sin B, that is equal to sin A plus B. Let us consider imaginary part. What happens? Sin A plus sin B is equal to sin A plus B. This is what we have got from the given problem equation. Let us expand both sides, or let us rewrite in terms of half angles. What is sin A plus B? Left hand side, it's a very important identity. Please remember, two sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. This is a very important identity. That is sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Please remember this. Why I have written twice? to impress upon you that it's very important equation. Now, what is right hand side? Right hand side is equal to sin A plus B. That is nothing but sin 2 into A plus B by 2. What is sin 2A? Sin 2A is equal to sin A. What is sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta and cos theta. This implies another very important equation regularly used in mathematics, engineering mathematics and higher mathematics is sin A plus B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A plus B by 2. This is also very important equation. Very important. This is equal to right hand side. Equate both right hand side and left hand side. What happens? Left hand side is equal to right hand side implies 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A plus B by 2. Can we write this equation like this? Let us cancel 2 and don't cancel sin A plus B by 2 and sin A plus B by 2. Please don't cancel at this stage. We can write this way: sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus cos A plus B by 2. We can write like this. By rearranging and bringing the right hand side to the left hand side, rearranging we can write. Then there will be two conditions evolve from it to make it 0. Either this will be 0 or this will be 0. Either of them should happen. Let us consider case 1. Where sin A plus B by 2 is equal to 0. We know that A, B are less than 2 pi. That is the given condition. We are not considering the negative values here. A plus B, let us say positive values. And AB less than 2 pi. Then what will be the solution? 0 will be sin pi is 0, sin 2 pi is 0. From trigonometry identity, 0 is equal to sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi up to sin k pi or anything, let us say. Or we can say up to sin m pi. That means sin, we are finding the general solution here. Sin a plus b by 2 is equal to sin m pi. That means a plus b by 2 is equal to m pi. That implies a plus b is equal to 2 into m into pi. M is any number. Then b is equal to 2 into m into pi minus a. By taking cos on both sides, what happens? Cos b is equal to cos 2m pi minus a. Cos 2 pi minus a is again cos a. That implies cos b is equal to cos a. And from the when you compare the real values, what happens? Cos a plus cos b is equal to cos a plus b. Comparing real values in the equation, what happens? Cos a plus cos b is equal to cos a plus b. Initially we compared the imaginary values and now we are comparing the original values, that real values. What is cos a and cos b? Cos a is equal to cos b. So that 2 cos a is equal to, what is cos a plus b? A plus b is 2m pi. Cos 2m pi. What is cos 2 pi? Cos 2 pi is equal to unity. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 2 pi is equal to 1. Cos 4 pi is equal to 1. Similarly, cos 2m pi is equal to 1. Then 2 cos a is equal to 1. That is the answer we have got. That implies cos a is equal to 1 by 2. That implies a is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. As we have put the constraint that 0 is less than or equal to a less than 2 pi, because a value should be less than 2 pi. Then for what values of a, we will get cos a is equal to half, cos 60 is equal to half, that means cos pi by 3 is equal to half, cos a is equal to half implies a is equal to 60. as cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, or A is equal to 360 minus 60 as cos 360 minus 60 is equal to cos 60, that is equal to 1 by 2. What is A is equal to 60 degrees means in pi it will be, in radius it will be pi by 3, or A is equal to 360 minus 60, that is equal to, that is in degrees, that is equal to 300 degrees, that is equal to 5 pi by 3. That means A has a value, A is equal to pi by 3 or 5 pi by 3. Then what will be the value of B? A plus B is equal to 2 pi. A plus B is equal to 2 pi. When A is equal to pi by 3, B is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 3, that is equal to 5 pi by 3. And when A is equal to 5 pi by 3, B is equal to 2 pi minus 5 pi by 3, that is equal to 5 by 3. That means there are two values for A and B. A and B is equal to pi by 3, A is pi by 3, B is equal to 5 pi by 3, or A is equal to 5 pi by 3 and B is equal to pi by 3, provided AB less than 2 pi, it is like this. 0 less than or equal to AB less than 2 pi for this condition. Then we have got the value A is equal to pi by 3, B is equal to 5 pi by 3. Then what is the value of A plus B? A plus B is equal to pi by 3 plus 5 pi by 3 is equal to 6 pi by 3, that is equal to 2 pi. That means A plus B is equal to 2 pi. The answer is either way, A plus B is equal to 2 pi. That is the final answer. A is equal to 5 by 3, then B will be 5 pi by 3. If A is equal to 5 pi by 3, B will be pi by 3 and A plus B will be 2 pi. In the equation, provided 0 is less than or equal to AB less than 2 pi. In the equation, e to the power of IA plus e to the power of IB is equal to e to the power of I into A plus B. This is the given equation. This is the solution, A plus B, and this is the condition. With this, I want to conclude this lecture, and if there is a value addition to you because of this lecture, kindly share and subscribe to my channel. Maths and Science by IITian. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing this lecture. And in this lecture, we have not only given some good trigonometric identities, we have used them, and we have also used the concept of Euler identity in complex numbers, and we have also gone into the insights of the complex numbers. Best of luck. Thank you for listening to me.